If you run a business in New York, you know this city doesn't run on generic solutions. Neither should your software. I'm Doron Farber, founder of the Farber Consulting Group, Inc. We help NYC businesses build custom software that actually solves problems, not just adds features. We've been doing it for over 30 years, right here, with real companies in logistics, finance, healthcare, and beyond. Most off-the-shelf tools are built for someone else's business. We work with clients who are tired of fighting with rigid systems, juggling spreadsheets, or duct taping apps together. They come to us because their business has outgrown basic tools and needs software that's smart, scalable, and built around how they actually work. Some of our recent NYC projects include a custom CRM for a real estate firm with multilingual workflows, a dispatch and tracking app for a same-day delivery company, migrating a 15-year-old MS Access system to a secure web app, a custom reporting dashboard that replaced 9 different spreadsheets. In every case, we didn't start with features. We started with business requirements. What makes us different? We don't outsource. You speak directly with developers who understand your goals and your city. We're based in the US. We know the pace of New York, and we deliver software that fits that energy. Fast, flexible, and future-ready. If your business is stuck using software that doesn't scale, it's time to build something better. Visit us at dfarber.com or call us at 732-536-4765 and tell us what's slowing you down. Let's build something that works the way your business does. No compromises.